New details tonight. A major West Virginia opioid trial has wrapped up. Closing arguments concluded last week, and now it's in the federal judge's hands. Cabell County and Huntington are suing three huge drug distribution companies, McKesson, AmerisourceBergen, and Cardinal, for inflaming the opioid epidemic by flooding the area with painkillers. Two Wheeling attorneys, Robert and Clayton Fitzsimmons, were on the plaintiff's legal team. Today, they spoke exclusively to our DK Wright about the case.
The case alleges that these drug distribution companies, required by law to monitor the volume and frequency of the orders, didn't do it.
Something's going on here, folks. That's a little bit too many pills. You know, everybody from age 1 to 100 is getting, 80 pills a year, these opioids that are addictive pills. Why is that?
Our communities and families have been poisoned by these drugs.
Emails among the distributors came to light, showing they mocked West Virginians and their growing drug dependence, using the term pillbillies.
They were terrible, they were demeaning, they were directed principally at the people here in West Virginia with the Beverly Hillbillies, that song, they called us the Pillbillies.
Making fun of us, which to me is an indication and recognition that they knew there was a problem and that they disregarded it. And why? I mean, it's the line of their corporate earnings.
It's despicable, and they should be ashamed of themselves.
After 40 days of trial involving 60 witnesses, it's in the judge's hands now. The money the plaintiffs are asking for? More than $2 billion for abatement of these problems the drugs have caused.
This is a disease. It's not something that just happens to bad people. It happens to everybody. It happens to all families. And we have to embrace it, and we have to just get out and do the best we can.
For 7 News in Wheeling, DK Wright working for you.
The case was heard by a judge, not a jury, in U.S. District Court in Charleston. He has not yet rendered a decision.